Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Bob from Trade Genius, the Ides of October. And for you that don't know your Roman history, it's the 15th of October. So, anyway, we had a low, and we retested the Friday low. I barely moved this like a point from the low on Friday, and we've been ripping from there. And I think at this point, we have to assume that we're going to get a decent bounce here. So I'm looking at 2790 area as next resistance, and our volatility bands told us that minus 18 would probably going to hold, and from where we are now to 69 to 47. It was minus 22, so that was a pretty good estimate on the volatility. But we're definitely looking to consolidate. And if you know anything about normal weekly flow, is that we had the second week of the month tends to be weakest. And for a couple months, it wasn't doing it. I think a lot of artificial interventions in the market, but this week did it, and I think it was a lot of pent up selling that caused that Wednesday event, and Thursday low, a Friday consolidation, and then we should see generally rising prices for this week. So we'll see if it holds up. If we do, that means we're not in sell-off mode just yet. If we break 2710, the low on Wednesday of last week, then this is just a dead cat bounce, and we're going to go down even further. But like I said, I only look a day or two ahead anymore. It's too difficult. To predict these things. But anyway, we're looking good to go, and we'll see what happens when the market opens. It's going to open near the overnight highs. Like I said, I'm looking for a move up to here, and but we'll know if we're going to sell off if after the first morning hour, like by 10:15 a.m. if we're selling again, that means we're gonna make another shot at the bottom. But if not, we're gonna move much higher. So that's number one. Number two is flipping over to our charts. Is silver and gold are up again, and GDXJ, at least pre-market wise, is sitting at right now for us, it's nearly a 9.5% gain from our slingshot, and we're still holding. So I'll probably be moving my stop up again here when I put my new stops in. But silver miners look good. We added a few more. I'm looking to go long this morning on URA, as long as it didn't run on me. And so this was the zone. I didn't buy it on Friday. Bought two other small miners, and I'm looking to get back in URA. This was one if somebody wants just to hold and tuck away. I think the uraniums are gonna have a 2 to 3 year run here, so this is probably a good place to hide out regardless of economic conditions. And so looking pretty good. And we're also in SLV, having a nice run. I'm going to move stop up again on this. This is part of our Silver Express package. We're pushing the top of the channel here. So either we're going to cup and handle this thing, or we're going to get a little bit of a break in the action. But silver's looking decent, guys. And you can actually get our algorithm for the silver miners. We coded in a buy and sell program into our top silver and gold miners and ETFs. And if you just join any of our annual packages for stock and ETF, you get it. And then if you also like to trade the cryptos, we just had a nice trade on the cryptos too. So had a wrong one. Icon, looks like Icon's just hit one as well. But Phil put a trade out this morning on from this weekend on Bitcoin, and we just had a nice little 5% run on it. So we just don't care, the news, the macro, the this, the that. We could just see when there's buying opportunities coming in, and we take it, and you can get that signal too. We normally sell this separately, but our sale ends today. So if you want to get the Crypto Express or the Crypto Money Machine or the Silver Express or the Day Trading Money Machine for futures, is the last chance you get to get it before we go back to our normal prices, where we split out the software from our regular trading signals. So check us out, and look for a green day across the board today. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.